sa cycle.
Actually, yung layunin ng Twitter calendar actually is for the learners to parang magkaroon siya ng mastery, no? Because nung previous kasi yung 4 terms, parang laging may disruption. Then that's why kinandak nila ay ginawa nilang 3 term para all of those terms will be the instructional block. Lahat yan, puro instructional block, walang disruption of classes. Makakonsentrate na sila sa kanilang pag-aaral. Hindi sila basta-basta pag sinabing practice, na-excuse sila, may namimiss silang mga lesson nila or yung mga quizzes nila, which is medyo, syempre, ang focus na nila parang nababawasan sa kanilang learning. That's why yun yung naging kanila para at least makakonsentrate sila sa pag-aaral.
As of now kasi, based on our previous orientation, one of the reasons kung bakit nag-3-term calendar is at least mabawasan sana yung load nila every semester, like from their previous na setup before. So they had 2 semesters and then ang dami kasing activities in between. So na programs ng DepEd. So, a lot of times, nadi-disrupt yung classes nila and they have to make up for those missing classes. So, ang nangyayari is, may modules kami na hindi natatapos because of those interruptions. So, now that we have 3 terms na, clear na for every term, focus lang kami sa classes namin, focus lang kami na matapos lahat ng competencies. And then we will have blocks, we will have terms naman where we can freely continue with the programs na binibigay ni DepEd. So hopefully, we'll lessen our load, less disruption sa classes, and then, ayun, they'll have more focus sa studies nila instead of being interrupted because of the programs nga, competitions na bigay din ni DepEd.